A Hyundai rolls into a clean lab, and one code hovers over everything. P1193. It may look like a simple warning, but it can ripple into strange, unrelated system complaints. Lock & Cal's educational series breaks down what P1193 really signals. Control module power-up integrity. Think of the ECM as a real-time computer that must boot cleanly every key cycle. It needs stable supply voltage, especially during the moment cranking loads drag everything down. It also needs clean grounds, because small resistance can shift reference voltage and confuse self-checks. Inside the module, power rails must stabilize, memory must verify, and watchdog logic must stay quiet. When boot integrity fails, the ECM may drop off the network, and other modules start complaining.
One common trigger is cranking voltage sag. The starter pulls hard, and the module browns out.
Another is connector fretting. Tiny movement creates intermittent contact that looks fine until vibration hits. Water intrusion can create leakage paths, causing unpredictable resets and short-lived communication dropouts. That's why salvage, collision history, or flooding can make P1193 show up with bizarre secondary symptoms. Professionals follow a rule. Prove power and ground first, then suspect the module. Step 1 is battery and cranking integrity, because a weak source makes every control unit misbehave. Next, measure voltage drop on the ground path. Any offset can corrupt reference signals during boot. Then inspect terminal tension and pin fit, because a loose terminal can mimic a failed computer. Controlled wiggle testing helps reproduce the fault, linking a physical harness problem to digital instability. A lab scope can confirm whether the ECM boots, stays awake, and maintains stable network activity. If power, grounds, and wiring prove good, repeated failed boot behavior points toward internal module failure. The engineering fix is simple in order. Restore power integrity, eliminate moisture sources, then verify configuration so the network stays stable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.